歡迎收睇原文聖經研讀，我係羅牧師。我今日會繼續讀約翰福音第3章31節至到第33節。第3章第31節，Ho anothen echomenos apano panton estin。喺度我先講啦吓 ，He who comes from above。 呢個 anothen 咧，記得我以前講過啦，第3章嘅第3節同埋第7節啦，都用呢個字 anothen 呢個字，就係 from above 嘅意思吓，即係從上邊而嚟嘅。echomenos 咧就係 come 呢個 participle 嚟噶吓 ，He who comes from above。Apano panton estin is above all。 呢 estin 就 is 啦，呢個 verb 嚟噶啦吓 ，is above all 呢個咧就係上邊嘅意思啦，都係呢個同 anothen 都係差唔多呢個意思啦。Apano 就係 over 或者 above 上邊，panton 咧就係 all 即係所有嘅嘢 all 所有嘅嘢吓，即係從上邊嚟嘅嗰個，從上邊嚟嘅嗰個人呢，係 above all 嘅，係喺萬物之上嘅咁樣啦吓。咁呢個當然係指耶穌啦吓，即係耶穌係從上邊而嚟嘅，所以佢係萬物之上。我一陣間再講下解釋下。何鴻 ek te skes te ges estin kai ex te ges lale。 He who is of the earth te skes the earth 即係地上啦 ，is of the earth of the earth is 呢個動詞喺後邊嘅吓 ，kai ex te skes lale and of the earth he speaks。 呢就係 he speaks 呢個係第三身單做嘅動詞啦吓，一個男性啦 masculine gender 啦吓，所以佢 he speaks 即係成句意思即係話 he who is of the earth is of the earth and he speaks of the earth。 所以3次of the earth 出現噶吓 ，at te skes at te skes at te skes 就係 of the earth 嘅意思啦。即係我諗呢度始終都係第3章都係繼續翻耶穌同尼哥底母所講嘅對嘅說話咯，都係由尼哥底母開始咯。仍然呢個係繼續講有關尼哥底母嘅事情。所以我相信呢個 he speaks 咧就係指尼哥底母啦吓，即係尼哥底母冇錯，雖然係猶太人嘅領袖，好有學問，佢真係可以代表猶太教當時嘅猶太人嘅信仰啦吓，猶太教代表猶太教所講嘅說話吓，咁佢所講嘅嘢呢，雖然尼哥底母我講過啦，又係話喺當時嚟講呢，非常之嘅出名，好受歡迎，有好多個門徒。好多人跟隨佢所以猶太教咧係好盛行啦。當時喺猶太人嘅宗教叫猶太教啦吓。咁但係對個作者嚟講咧，即係話佢始終係人 ，He is of the earth of the earth 就係人嘅意思咯，即係從地上嚟嘅啫。佢都係 is of the earth， 都係屬於人嘅地上嘅事情所以咧佢所講嘅咧。都係 of the earth， 都係講有關地上嘅事情，所以佢同耶穌嘅分別就好大。耶穌係點樣呢？咁樣，耶穌係 from above，Ho anothen echomenos He who is come from above。 仲有呢個點解譯 from above 呢？咁樣係從上而嚟啦。繼續呢度講啦，Ho ek to hulanu echomenos apano panton estin。 He who is of heaven urano 咧就係 heaven 天上邊啦heaven comes from heaven echomenos 同呢個 echomenos 一樣啦都係 participle 都係 come 啦，即係指耶穌啦。耶穌係 of heaven come from heaven 所以咧佢係 is above all 咁呢個係一個平衡嘅寫法啦呢度講耶穌係 from above， 呢度講耶穌係 of heaven， 咁呢個 above 咧 from above 咧肯定嘅意思即係話 from heaven 嘅意思啦係嘛，即係從上而嚟嘅意思咧，呢個翻譯從上而嚟即係等於從天上嚟嘅意思一樣啦 ，from heaven 嘅意思啦。所以我再翻轉頭就係話，當我講約翰福音第3章第3節同埋第7節嘅時候，當耶穌同尼哥底母講人必須重生呢個時候咧，亦都係用呢個字㗎 anothen 呢個字即係如果你有機會翻轉頭睇我嗰段嘅所講嘅説話嘅話咧，都係用 anothen 呢個字。咁當時 anothen 咧，好多人都翻譯重生，即係再生一次 born again 係冇錯，呢個字可以咧係譯 again 嘅意思born again 嘅意思。但係對個作者嚟講咧，我相信呢個字咧係 from above 從天上而生嗰個意思咧更加正確啦，更加啱啦。因為對個作者嚟講 from above 即是 from heaven。Orano 你講得好清楚呢個 from above 嘅意思 anothen 嘅意思 x anothen 咧 come from anothen 就等於 come from heaven 嘅意思所以 anothen 同 heaven 係一樣嘅意思嘛。所以嗰個耶穌同尼哥底母講人必須 born 唔係 born again 而係 born from above 先至可以得見到上帝嘅國，進入上帝嘅國，或者得到永生，係 born from above， 即係話從天上而生嘅意思係從聖靈而生嘅意思咯。聖靈係天上嚟噶嘛，一定係聖靈將我哋重生個意思咯。所以第3章第3節第7節咧係 born from above， 從天上而生，而唔係 born again。唔係重生就係呢個意思啦，都係同樣用呢個字呢度咧就係盼通 as estin apano 盼通 is above all 呢個盼通呢個字咧就 all 啦所有啦呢個係眾數嚟嘅，呢個 pronoun 眾數，呢個眾數喺希臘文咧可以係 masculine gender， 亦都可以係 neuter gender。即係話可以係男性，可以係中性希臘文呢個字咧，男性、中性都係咁寫法嘅。所以咧，如果譯男性嘅話咧 ，he who comes from above is above all。如果係男性嘅話咧，就可能係指所有嘅 rabbis， 當時猶太人嘅嗰啲所謂拉比嗰啲老師，包括尼哥底母嘛，尼哥底母都係一個好出名嘅 rabbi， 一個啲拉比猶太人嘅老師係嘛，猶太人嘅師傅，佢猶太人嘅老師。咁如果係男性嘅話咧，即係話耶穌先至係喺天上嚟，佢先至喺所有當時所謂好出名嘅拉比當中，佢先至係最上邊嗰個，最高嗰個，最叻嗰個。即係如果係男性嘅話咧，呢個可能咧就係指嗰啲 teachers 嘅意思啦，拉比老師嘅意思。但係相信咧，我相信都係用翻中性比較啱啲啦。如果係中性嘅話 neuter gender 嘅話咧，就係 all things 萬物He who comes from above is above all the things。萬物喺萬物之上，耶穌從天上嚟，所以佢喺萬有之上、萬物之上，我諗係更加即係啱啦，更加有意思啦。即係當然希臘文有陣時好含糊兩種嘅解釋都可以㗎。仲有呢度咧，喺呢度有個四方框，跟住有畫即係個括弧括住呢幾個字。Apano panton estin 咧 is above all 咧，因為呢度重複咗嘛，呢度又係 Apano panton estin 呢個3個字一模一樣嘅， 好似重複咗咁。咁所以有啲人咧覺得，有啲古卷啊，覺得呢句説話咧係冇嘅嚇，即係咧將佢抄嗰陣時咧係冇呢幾個字嘅喎。嗱，我哋睇下嗱，31節呢個四方框呢度咧嚇，31節我哋睇下邊嘅 apparatus 啦，嗱31節啦，呢個咧就係呢度啦，呢個四方框啦，即係話咧呢咁多古卷啊 P75啦，呢個 Sinaiticus 啦，呢個 Besi 啦，呢個咧呢古卷啊。咁多個古卷裏邊咧，係冇嗰幾個字嘅，呢啲都係重要經卷嚟嘅喎。咁有嘅話咧，你個 text 嘅話咧，有呢幾個字嘅，亦都好多啊，亦都好多有呢嘅經卷。所以有嗰幾個字嘅，即係 is above all 呢幾個字嘅咧，好多重要經文係冇，亦都好多重要經文咧係有嘅嚇。咁如果冇同有咧，個翻譯啊又唔同嘅喎。嗱，如果有嘅話咧，就好似我頭先咁翻譯啦。He who comes from heaven is above all。咁個動詞咧就係呢個啦 ，is 啦 ，estin panota panton 啊 ，pano panton 啊 ，estin 就係動詞啦 ，estin is above all 啊，就完整嘅一句。如果冇嘅話咧，冇咗呢幾個字嘅話咧，嗰個動詞咧就落咗嚟下邊咯。Maturi 呢個字咯，就係話 ho elowakan kai elosen tutu maturi 呢個就係話 that which he has seen 嗱 elowakan 咧就係睇得看見嘅意思 has seen and heard and 聽嚇 hekusen 咧就係 heard 嘅意思聽到嘅意思嚇 this he testifies 即係見證啊，作見證。Maturi 啊 ，Maturi 咧就係第三身單數男性啦，一個動詞啦嚇。Maturi 即係作見證嘅意思啊嚇。即係話咧，如果唔愛呢幾個字嘅話咧，嗰個動詞咧就唔係 estin 啦，就唔係 is 啦。嗰個動詞就喺下邊 Maturi， 即係話 He who comes from heaven。He testifies 或者話 He who comes from heaven testifies witnesses 或者 witnesses 都得啦，見證啦。That which he has seen and heard 就咁意思咯，就冇咗呢句咯，變咗呢個31節嘅下半節同32嘅上半節咧係一句説話嚟嘅啫。係唔分得開㗎嚇。嗱，我再講一次啦。如果冇呢幾個字嘅話，好多經文啊係冇呢幾個字㗎嚇。如果冇嘅話，個翻譯就係話 He who comes from heaven witnesses 或者 testifies that which he has seen and heard。嗱，咁就啱啦。咁嘅就完整嘅一句啦嚇。咁咧，雖然翻譯唔同。咁但係個意思都係一樣啦，即係講到耶穌係從天上嚟，佢喺天上所見到嘅嘢，所聽到嘅嘢啊 ，He has seen and heard， 佢所見到嘅同埋所聽到嘅，佢而家作見證，佢將佢見證出嚟，將佢表明出嚟，所以個作者好清楚咯。耶穌先至係將天父啊完完全全嘅啟示出嚟，冇人睇得見天父，冇人認識天父，冇人知道天父，只有藉着耶穌先至認識天父，睇得見天父，相信天父，因為佢係從天上嚟，所以佢喺天上所見到嘅、所聽到嘅，都將佢證明出嚟、啟示出嚟。我諗就係呢個意思咯。嗱，仲有咧呢個希臘文咧 ，that which he has seen and heard， 呢個 has seen 咧係 perfect tense 嚟㗎嚇 ，he has seen 係 perfect tense， 但係 heard 咧係 acousen 咧就唔係啦 ，aorist tense 算係過去式啦嚇，咁希臘文有一個叫 aorist tense 啊，咁當希臘文啊個作者用唔同嘅 tense 兩個動詞。 但係唔用嘅聽連續兩個動詞，但係唔用唔同嘅 tense 嚟表達嘅時候咧，好多人就認為咧嗰個重點啊就喺前邊啦，喺個 perfect tense 嗰度，就唔係喺個 aorist tense 嗰度。即係話個重點咧就係強調 he has seen 多過強調 he has heard。即係如果直接翻譯嘅話，呢個 aorist tense 嘅話，呢個係 perfect tense 嘅話咧，就係話 that which he has seen and that which he heard 就啱啦嚇。佢所看見嘅同埋佢所睇見嘅個重點係擺佢所看見嗰度嚇。意思即係話耶穌當將佢喺天上所睇得見嘅事情，佢看見天父，佢看見天上所有嘅事情，佢將天父當然度都包括埋佢所聽到啦，但係主要就係佢所睇得見嘅，將佢證明出嚟，將佢表明出嚟，將佢啟示出嚟。我諗就係呢個意思咯。咁呢度咧，如果翻譯嘅話咧，有呢個 tutu 咧就好似多餘咗㗎，係嘛 ？That which he has heard and seen， 對唔住啊 ，that which he has heard， he has seen and heard，he testifies 已經夠㗎啦，唔需要 tutu 啊。this tutu 就係 this 嘅意思啦，唔需要 he testify this， 即係好似好沉醉咗，好多餘咗，所以有啲古卷咧就將呢個 tutu 呢個字咧取消咗嚇。嗱，呢個32節啦，有個圓圈嘅啦。嗱，我睇 apparatus 啦，32節啦嚇，咁有個圓圈嘅就係呢度啦嚇。呢有個圓圈，呢啲古卷啊係冇 tutu 呢個字嘅，咁但係亦都有好多古卷係有嚇，所以咧即係經文就係咁特別啦嚇。即係睇下邊一卷聖經咯，有啲聖經咧係冇呢個 tutu 呢個字，但係有好多聖經咧亦都係有呢個字嚇。咁大家意思差唔多啦，都係講耶穌啊，將天上嘅事情，將天父啟示出嚟，證明出嚟嚇，見證出嚟就係呢個意思啦嚇。Kai ting maturiang autu hudes lambane and his witness 或者 his testimony， 佢嘅見證 hudes 就係 no one 啦 ，no one accepts， lambane 就 accepts 接受，冇人接受，即係佢嘅耶穌所作嘅見證 his testimony 或者 his witness， 佢嘅見證冇人接受，即係好可惜咯。我相信作者係意思即係話，當時初期教會嘅時候，包括喺作者年代嘅時候，佢哋想向翻自己嘅人猶太人傳福音，但係似乎好艱難嘅一件事情。咁好嘅一個見證，耶穌從天上嚟，喺天上邊所見到嘅、所聽到嘅，完全見證出嚟。咁好嘅福音，但係竟然當傳翻俾自己猶太人嘅時候，好似尼哥底母所代表嘅一班猶太人嘅時候，竟然啊冇人肯相信，好難啊令佢哋肯接受嗰個福音，太過傳統，太過根深蒂固，而福音啊喺當時嚟講有一件咁新嘅事情，咁新嘅一個信仰，咁新嘅一個講法，所以咧好難令到一班好傳統、好守舊嘅一班猶太人咧肯去接受。所以我諗作者好感慨、好惋惜嘅喺度講，咁好嘅一件事情，咁好嘅福音，竟然啊冇人接受。但係33節咧，好彩都有啲肯接受係嘛？呢度 ho labong autu ting maturiang as fragisan hoti ho theos alethes estin。 He who accepts labong 就 accepts 啊 ，he who accepts his testimony ting maturian。佢嘅見證啊，嗰啲接受佢嘅見證嗰啲咧 ，as fragisan 就係 seal，人 印上印啊，即係好似嗰陣時嗰啲玉璽啊，皇帝啊個玉璽印上印，或者嗰陣時嗰啲書信函件咧都可以用封咗印咁樣嚇。我哋封印啊就係呢個字啦嚇，印咗that Hotheos Aletheis Estin that Hoti 就係 that God is true Aletheis 就係 true。Estin 就係 is 嘅意思啦嚇 ，God is true， 即係好彩咧，仍然有一部分人啊係肯接受嘅，肯相信嘅嚇。咁包括作者啦，同埋當時嘅耶穌好多門徒啦，呢啲都係猶太人啦嚇。即係對呢啲嘅猶太人嚟講，後來咧仲多咗好多外邦人添啦嚇。呢啲佢哋接受啦，佢哋信福音。對於嗰啲信嘅人嚟講，信福音、信耶穌嘅人嚟講咧，佢哋就印上加咗個印，證明啊上帝係真嘅。係咩意思咧？咁我相信嗰個意思就係話，對唔接受嘅人嚟講咧，就好難令佢接受。但係對肯接受嘅人嚟講咧，肯信嘅人嚟講咧，上帝係好真實㗎。上帝真係喺我哋嘅生命裏邊係好實實在在，就活喺我哋嘅生命當中。當我哋越信嘅時候咧，就會越更加相信上帝係又真又活嘅一位上帝。我諗印上印可能就係呢個意思咯。當我哋越信嘅時候，對於信嘅人嚟講咧，就越更加相信上帝係咁活嘅，咁愛我哋嘅，咁真實嘅，喺我哋嘅生命當中啊，係咁實實在在嘅一位主宰咯。我諗呢個係作者佢自己嘅親身嘅見證啦。好啦，多謝各位，我哋下次繼續。